Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. How to work up to doing full push-ups. If you're working up to doing full push-ups, the key is to build upper body strength, improve core stability, and develop proper form through a progressive approach. Follow these steps to gradually increase your strength and endurance. Step number 1, wall push-ups, beginner-friendly. Stand facing a wall, keeping your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the wall at chest level. Slowly lower your chest toward the wall, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Push back to the starting position. Perform 10 to 15 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Step number 2, incline push-ups. Build strength with less body weight. Find a sturdy surface like a bench, table, or couch. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest toward the surface while keeping your body in a straight line. Push back up to the starting position. Perform 10 to 12 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Step number 3, knee push-ups. More intensity on upper body. Get into a push-up position but lower your knees to the ground. Keep your core engaged and back straight. Lower your chest toward the floor, then push back up. Perform 10 to 12 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Step number 4, negative push-ups. Focus on strength and control. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower your body down to the floor over 3 to 5 seconds. Drop your knees, push back up, and repeat. Perform 8 to 10 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Step number 5, half push-ups, getting closer to full push-ups. Begin in a standard push-up position. Lower yourself halfway down and push back up. Perform 8 to 10 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Step number 6, full push-ups, final goal. Get into a high plank position with your body straight. Engage your core and lower your chest toward the floor. Push back up while maintaining good form. Start with 5 to 10 reps and gradually increase. Bonus strength exercises to help. Planks, strengthen your core and improve stability. Tricep dips, work on arm and shoulder strength. Shoulder taps, improve balance and upper body control. Resistance band press, helps build chest and tricep strength.